Generating high quality leads is often a tough task, and for a new or small scale SEO agency, it's even tougher due to limited resources. Today, we will talk about the perfect strategic approach for lead generation that does not require an extensive sales team. Instead, it leverages the power of smart tools and techniques. Well, there are countless strategies for generating leads, from social media marketing to SEO tactics. But one method that stands out as efficient is email marketing. Email marketing has an outstanding ROI of 4,200%, meaning every $1 spent can bring back $42. It's not just cost effective, it's a gold mine for leads. And with AI softwares, email marketing has become the ultimate solution for every small or large scale SEO agency. Now, after testing hundreds of AI tools, we have filtered out just the right one for you. Instantly.ai. Instantly is an AI-powered email marketing tool that simplifies lead generation for you, allowing you to reach more potential clients with less efforts. From customizable templates to detailed analytics, you can get so many features and instantly. I'm just going to share my screen and show you how I use it for my business to get more leads.
To efficiently operate this tool, let me give you a demo of the same. Create an account on Instantly and then log in. Once you're in, you'll be able to view your dashboard like this. Here on the left-hand side menu are all the features that you need to run your campaigns. So first off, what I'll do is I'll go and create a campaign. Let me name my campaign as go to continue. It's gonna ask you to add leads. Now for that, you can click here and add leads, or you can just go to the lead finder and use the inbuilt tool here. I'll use the inbuilt tool first. I'll type my keyword here, shoes, and my location here. I'm just using the two filters now. It's going to be basic, but you can use all the other filters as well. You can also select the employees that the company has. Say I'm going to go for 100 to 250. It's going to keep on filtering the results. If I remove it, I have 15 lakh results here. I put the filter on. It keeps it down to 1,65,000 results. You can also choose as many filters as fits for your target audience. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to select this page, or you can select all the results based on the target audience, based on the scale that you're going. If you're going to go large scale, if you're going to keep the campaign short, I'm just going to select this page which has 25 results, and then I'm going to add it to the campaign. Select targeted campaign, add to campaign. Once you're done with this, the leads are added to the campaign. Now, we'll go back to the campaign, we'll select it, check the leads here. Now these are in verification queue. Now while they're being verified, we'll go and create sequences for them. You can use the AI prompt that is inbuilt here. For that, you'll have to integrate your AI tool, the ChatGPT here with the API keys and stuff, or you can create your own templates and then you can move forward with it. So I'll just create the template, paste it here. You can use your subject line. For that, you can also add personalizations. For the subject line, you can add it from the right hand side. Add first name. And then you can add the personalization here via variables. I'll keep it signature, account signature. And then the most important thing that I'm going to do is I'm also going to add and click to unsubscribe button as well. It's important. Then I'm going to save it. You can also add images, you can also add emojis. That's as per your customization. Then you can add your automation steps from here. You can check the days here. If I want my follow-up to go after 2 days or 3 days, I can cut it out from here. And that's how you can create the automation steps. Once this is done, save it all and then go to schedule. Name your schedule. Click the select date. Click apply, click the timings that you want. I'm going to go for a larger scale, and then click the time zone that you want, select the days, and then save. Now, here. After that, we're going to go to options. Now it's going to ask us to use the accounts. Now for that, first you'll have to authorize and integrate an email. Go to add new, go to Gmail. For any email that you want to go, they have given a tutorial here. You can go and view that tutorial. You can view the video. Say yes, IMAP has been enabled. Select the option auth, and then this is the tutorial video that you need to see. Or if you know how to add an app to the workspace admin panel, you can just go and do that. Once this is done, for your email ID, go to login, and then log in via your account. I have already added my emails, so I'm just going to go. Now, once this is selected, open your email, click on the email that you have added, go to the settings and create your signature. This is the foremost step. Once this is done, set your daily campaign limit and then save. These are the very basic features that I'm using here. Once you come in here, you'll be able to select more. Once your email ID is set, go back to your campaigns, click on that, go to options, select the account that you want to use for sending the emails. If you want to open the link tracking, you can do that as well. Select daily limit. I'll set it to 300 daily limit for the email. You need to set the time gap between emails as well, and the maximum new leads per day. So this is the new leads that new emails that they're going to send to new leads rather than automations. I'll set it to 30 per day. You can check boxes as required for your campaigns and then save. Once you save it, keep the time above 3. I usually keep it 7, but this is just for a demo, and then resume campaign. Once you resume it, it's going to start sending the emails as your prescribed timing on the prescribed days, and it's going to take the minimum timings as well. You can also select more email IDs if you have bulk emailing. So if I take 3 emails, then I'll be able to send bulk emails here. Instead of 300, I can enter 1500 as well. And it's going to start sending the emails from different email IDs. It's going to shuffle it's on its own. This is the campaign, and that's how it runs. You can pause here, you can check your analytics. This is how the analytics dashboard will be displayed: the open rate, click rate, and reply rate. And boom. That's how lead generation works for you.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions or wish to connect with our white label experts, fill out the contact form given below and we'll get back to you. Until then, bye-bye.